I heard about balanced flow through Dr. Nolan Lee. Him and I actually taught yoga together at a studio up in Bucktown, and he was always somebody who I would chat with after class about, oh, I've got this little thing here, that little thing there. And he said, well, if there's ever anything you need, come on down. I also heard about balanced flow through word of mouth. Plenty of people who I know who had been sort of frustrated with pains and aches and got to the point of, I just need something else, someone else to help out with this. Came down here and were really excited about the comprehensive care that they had. Before I started treatment at Balanced Flow, I was a very active person. I'm still a very active person, but I am pregnant, and I came when I was about 25 weeks into my pregnancy because I started having just a little tinge of pain in my low back, my SI joint. And I figured it was only going to get worse as the baby got bigger. So I came here to see what we could do to help alleviate the pain that I was having, but also to help strengthen and prepare me for childbirth. As a very active person, when I was having this SI joint discomfort, this SI joint pain, it was frustrating for me because I've always known how to stretch something, how to move in a way. I teach yoga, I do movement every day of my life, but I couldn't quite get that pain to go away, so I was frustrated. And I have been so excited to come to Balanced Flow because I've been challenged to come out of the pain. That now I have built extra strength, and through that strength, I feel like I'm actually improving at my craft rather than just working through something. The difference in the treatment here is it's so comprehensive. Previously, I had seen physical therapists, I had seen chiropractors, I'd gone to get acupuncture, I've gone to all these specialists, but they've never communicated with one another. At Balanced Flow, I truly feel like the team is working together to help me in whatever means possible. So not only am I going through physical therapy exercises, but I have chiropractic adjustments. I'm getting trigger point therapy and having deep tissue release. So the comprehensive nature of the care and the communication between the staff and myself, I think has really provided a well-rounded type of approach. The moment I realized I was actually getting better was actually in the office. We were doing a preliminary assessment before I had my treatment for the day. And we went through all the ranges of motion and said, okay, do you feel pain here or here or here? And I realized in that moment that the pain that I had been experiencing had gone away. So when I first had that moment, I realized, my gosh, this is working, I'm getting better, and now is the time to progress and get even stronger to prepare my body for what's next. So now that my SI joint pain is gone, the next phase of my life is just about to begin as I prepare to have this baby. And I feel prepared not only through the guidance of Balanced Flow, but to move forward afterwards. I feel supported in what my postpartum recovery will look like. And we've already begun to work parts of my body, such as my shoulders, my neck, to prepare me for nursing and carrying around a car seat carrier and all of those things that I wouldn't have even thought about if my team here wasn't there to look out for me.